Most people are not broke because they lack talent. They're broke because they rely on only one income. Let me show you what changed my life. Many people believe they need a perfect job or large capital to change their financial situation. The truth is, small opportunities done consistently can completely transform your life. A side hustle is not just extra income, it is a path to freedom, confidence, and new possibilities. In this lesson, you will learn how side hustles work, how to start one, and which options can truly change your life. A side hustle is any activity you do outside your main job or studies to earn extra income or build a future business. It can start small but grow into something powerful. Let's talk about creating income beyond one source. For example, selling products online, content creation, freelancing, teaching skills, or digital services. Why do side hustles matter today? Relying on one income source is risky. A side hustle helps you build financial security, learn new skills, explore your passions, and create long-term opportunities. Many successful entrepreneurs started with a side hustle before turning it into a full business. Side hustles that can change your life. One of the best is content creation. Create videos or posts about knowledge, motivation, fashion, education, or lifestyle. It's a great way to earn extra income. Let's talk about income opportunities for creators. Start with your phone. It's your best tool. Key opportunities, ads and partnerships and digital products, but it all starts with consistency. Freelancing lets you offer skills online, like graphic design, writing, social media management, and video editing. You earn based on your skills, not your location. Want to sell online? Start with fashion items, hay products, digital downloads, or beauty products. The key is social media. It becomes your marketplace, connecting you directly with buyers. It's a game changer for your business. If you know something valuable, you can teach it. Examples include language lessons, business basics, and personal development. Knowledge is income when shared properly. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money online. You promote products and earn a commission on every sale. The best part? You don't need to create any products. Just recommend and earn. How to choose the right side hustle. Ask yourself, what skills do I already have? What problem can I solve? What can I stay consistent doing? Choose something simple and start learning through action. Step-by-step guide to starting. Step 1, start small. Do not wait for perfection. Step 2, learn daily. Watch tutorials, read, and improve skills. Step 3, create value. Help people solve problems. Stay consistent. Growth takes time. Step 5, reinvent and improve. Adjust based on feedback. Common mistakes to avoid: trying too many ideas at once, expecting quick money, comparing yourself to others, giving up too early, and not learning new skills. Success comes from patience and persistence. A side hustle succeeds when you think long-term, stay disciplined, accept slow progress, and focus on learning, not perfection. Consistency beats talent. Action plan. Start today. 1, choose one side hustle idea. 2, spend 1 hour daily learning or creating. 3, post or promote consistently. 4, track progress weekly. 5, improve slight changes. A side hustle can start as a small idea but grow into financial freedom and personal confidence. You do not need everything figured out to begin. Your future can change with one decision to start today.